In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram Creator Marketplace. To use Creator Marketplace, you will need a professional creator or business account. Launch open the Instagram application, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now this will take you to settings and activity. Here, get to the option of account type and tools. Make sure that you have switched to a professional account. If not, you can tap on switch to professional account, then tap on next, then tap on switch to professional account and tap on OK. Now follow the on-screen prompts. The next criteria is you should be at least 18 years old and live in a supported country or region. You must also comply with Instagram's partner monetization policies. Now, once you have been converted to a professional account, tap on the professional dashboard option. From here, select the option of branded content. If Creator Marketplace option is available over here, go ahead and select that. Here, you will find the option of Join Creator Marketplace. Tap it and follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms. Next, complete your creator profile by adding details about your content, selecting relevant niche categories, and showcasing your best post or reels. If available, you can also add a rate card so brands know your pricing. Once your profile is set up, eligible brands can discover your account and send collaboration invitation. Partnership messages will appear in your Instagram inbox where you can review and respond to them. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.